Good morning. This is Monzon reporting from JTech News. Today, we bring you an urgent report on two of the most pressing public health crises of our time, smoking and drug abuse. These silent killers are claiming lives every day, but the fight against them is gaining momentum. Here's our exclusive report. Did you know that smoking kills more than 8 million people annually? And over 35 million individuals worldwide struggle with drug addiction? These aren't just numbers. Their lives, families, and communities shattered.
Smoking and drugs wreak havoc on nearly every organ in the body. The long-term damage is irreversible, but prevention is key.
Welcome back to JTech News. As we continue our special report on the battle against smoking and drug abuse, it's important to remember that these struggles aren't just about statistics. They're deeply personal journeys. For millions, the road to recovery is fraught with challenges, but it's also marked by incredible resilience and triumph.
I started smoking when I was 16, and it controlled my life for years. Quitting was not easy, but with support, I reclaim my health and my future. If I can do it, so can you.
Governments and communities worldwide are taking action. Initiatives like smoking bans, awareness campaigns, and rehabilitation programs are saving lives every day. The fight against smoking and drugs is far from over, but together, we can make a difference. If you or someone you know is struggling, don't wait. Reach out for help today. This is Monzon, reminding you to choose life over addiction. Stay safe and thank you for watching.